In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Bard in Google Docs Gmail slides. Before we begin, it's important to know that Google Bard has been renamed Google Gemini. So if you're looking for Bard features today, you'll typically find them under Gemini for Google Workspace. Availability can vary depending on your Google account type, your Google Workspace edition, and whether your plan includes AI features. To get started in Google Docs, open any Google Docs document. This can be a new blank document or an existing file you're already working on. Once the document is open, look for the Help Me Write button or the Ask Gemini button if it appears in your interface. The exact label may differ depending on your account and the version currently available to you, but both are designed to help you generate or improve content directly inside Docs. When you click that button, you'll be able to type a prompt. A prompt is simply an instruction telling Gemini what you want it to do. For example, you might ask it to write a project proposal, summarize the document you're working on, or rewrite a paragraph in a more professional tone. The more specific your prompt is, the more useful the result will usually be. If the first response isn't quite right, you can refine your wording and try again until the output better matches what you need. Now, one important detail to keep in mind is pricing and access. Google Gemini in Google Docs is not completely free for everyone. While some users may see limited features, trial access, or promotional availability, many of the more advanced AI tools require a paid Google plan. In most cases, full access usually depends on having a qualifying subscription, such as Google AI Pro, Google AI Ultra, or an eligible Google Workspace plan. If you do have access through a paid plan, Gemini can be very useful for everyday work. You can use it to write and rewrite documents, summarize long passages of text, generate ideas and outlines, improve grammar and tone, and create content based on simple prompts. That makes it especially helpful for drafting reports, polishing emails before copying them into Gmail, or preparing written material that may later be used in presentations such as Google Slides. As you use these tools, it's still a good idea to review the generated content before finalizing it. AI can save time, but you'll want to make sure the wording, tone, and accuracy match your goals. That is one way to use Google Gemini in Google Docs. Thank you for watching.